Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to make a nuke command. First to start off, open your start.bat file and type in slappy. Generate a new command named nuke in the moderation category. Next off, type in go to dot. And you just go to the nuke command. You have to make it async. We have to do an if statement. If message member that has permission manage channels, return message channel.send. You cannot use this command if message.girl.me has permission manage channels, return message.channel.send. My role does not have the manage channels permission, so I cannot nuke this channel. We're going to const the nuke channel. It's going to be message the channel. If there's no nuke channel dot deletable, if the channel is not deletable, return message the channel send. This channel is not deletable. We're going to await the nuke channel.clone position nuke channel raw precision, then channel.send channel nuked. And then we're going to just put a little GIF because it's fun. Who doesn't like GIF? Who doesn't like a GIF? Then we are going to await Nuke channel dot delete to catch error. If there is no error, console. If there is an error, console.log the error. I'm going to rewrite this command because I think I make a type fault. A type error. So I'm going to do this because I like this more. God damn it. Now it's fixed. We're going to do npm run dev. And yes, I changed the name of the bot. Going to spam a little bit. We're going to type in -nuke. Come on, Discord. I'm going to see an error. Oh, type fault. Message. -nuke. It's going to nuke the channel and do this. Channel nuke. Nuked. And it's going to put this little GIF here. It's working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. What I'm going to say later is bye.